lick I like, but I'll just pick I'll use. It's called The Legend of a Tootoo Train. Well, I hear them whistles blowing, he's jumping on the ice. If you get in his way, he's gonna knock you on your ass. Jordan Tootoo, Nashville's on Tootoo Train. 'Cause when you hear them whistles blowing, get ready for some pain. Well, there was a boy from Dallas, thought he'd run that Tootoo down. Charged it from behind him, but that train turned around, Toot saw him coming. Stopped him with one right hand, that's all it took. And that boy just stood a better chance, facing Toots like a man. So if you're ever on the ice in this hockey-tonkin' town, I'll give y'all some strong advice, don't try to knock 'em down. Jordan Tootoo, Nashville's on Tootoo Train. 'Cause when you hear them whistles blowing, get ready for some pain. Said when you hear them whistles blowing, come on, cell block, it's Jordan Tootoo Lane. Yeah, all right. Well, I appreciate it. And the four people that know what hockey is about here.